On today's episode on Casey's Garage, we're going to install this rocker panel that we got the salvage yard the other day, as well as the glass to the driver door there for the side mirror. And then we're going to go in and give the car a full detail. And then this car should be ready to list for sale.
3, 2, 1.
I am sweating like a pig. Here's a sock. I just said he and then it's she, but whatever. Well, I do want to kind of spruce it up a little bit. There. And I must happily report, after using the Dremel tool on the frame, the grounding points, this car has been driving great. I've probably driven it for, 30, 40 miles, and so far it's done fantastic. So hopefully that stays true. But let's go ahead and get this car done. All right, first thing first, I've already got the old mirror taken off. You can see it's all busted up down here. So now we've got to clip on the replacement mirror. We got the junkyard. Plug in the wires for the heated element. There we go. And then this basically should just kind of clip on into place here. Just like so. All right. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? So now we'll just toss this in the trash. And let's go work on the rocker. All right, so this might be kind of hard to get the camera in, and I'm sure I'm going to block it half the time, but let's go ahead and see if we can get this in place. I think a lot of the clips are actually still on the vehicle. It's going to go on just like that. All right. Well, before we move our way into the interior, let's go ahead and get these headlights buffed out. As you can see, they are pretty faded. You can't even see through them. And we're going to use the same technique I've used on just about every other car, by using the DA there with some 105. And we'll probably hit this, ooh, that's a lot, with a couple rounds here, and just see how clear it gets. There we go. Night and day difference. And of course we gotta do this side now, but we're gonna make it look just like that driver's side. And check it out. We got two nice, clean looking headlights. So real easy, only took me a couple minutes. In fact, I might hit this one over here one more time, but real easy to do, guys. All right, now it's time to go ahead and get the interior done. I need to go in and wipe everything down, shampoo the seats so it doesn't smell like a barn anymore. Probably shampoo the carpet as well. We'll just kind of see how dirty they are once we start vacuuming them. But I'm going to crank up some copyrighted music in here and get to town on this thing. Therefore, what was that? No. Therefore, there we go. Therefore, I'm just going to do a time lapse, and then I'll show you the final results, and then we'll go get some pictures taken, and then get it listed for sale. Well, we may have spent the better half of the day yesterday cleaning up this Focus, but it doesn't smell like a barn anymore, so that's a plus. And just look on how clean it is. It's looking great. We don't have any warning lights anymore. So we got that all taken care of, but one last thing we need to do before we take some pictures and get the car listed is I need to head to the parts store and grab a washer fluid cap so we can replace the olive jar cap that whoever owned this car before duct taped onto the fluid reservoir. So I'm gonna head over there real quick, grab one of those, and then we'll head out and take some pictures, and I'll show you the final results. All right, guys, so we got part number 54009. It's a Dorman product. And this will just go right there. And there we go. Looks better than an olive jar cap. So let's go ahead and get some pictures of this and get it listed for sale. All right, here it is, guys. 2013 Ford Focus. Goodyear tires, brand new Goodyear tires. It's got some dings and scratches here and there, some maybe perhaps some very light hail damage. A couple spots I can see it, and there's a couple spots there. But we got the sunroof there, and of course our nice, clean, and shiny interior. Of course, the shadows of everything is right on it right now. And that's the box to the reservoir cap we just stuck on there. Yeah, I think it came together pretty good. Smells fresh in there now. Now there is one more thing I'll probably do to the car before we sell it, which is replace the motor mount just like we did on the red one. This one's not bad, but I can definitely sense a little bit of a vibration there that probably shouldn't be there. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it because it's like $35 on eBay, and it's easy 10-minute job. So we'll go ahead and do that so we can make this car as good as it can be. So, and if you're interested in any of the cars we're flipping on the channel, you can head over to adasterauto.com. The link is in the description, and I'd be happy to answer your questions and show you the car. But for now, guys, that is going to be it for today's video. We'll catch you next time on Casey's Garage.